Passive House for All. This was the motto of the 21st International Passive House Conference in Vienna. More than 1,000 participants from over 50 countries gathered in the Congress Center to find out about the latest developments in energy-efficient construction and hear about exciting new Passive House projects. During the many lectures and workshops, attendees were able to update their knowledge.
I think this conference is great. It's a great opportunity to meet people from all over the world that are really interested in moving Passive House forward.
2 years ago, I went to Leipzig conference, and this year I joined again. I like this conference very well.
Oh, it's a wonderful event and a great opportunity for discovering products, exchanging ideas.
Fascinating. You learn a lot. You get together with many people. A great conference. I look forward to next year.
Not least of all, conference participants used the opportunity to network with industry colleagues. Around 100 exhibitors presented products for energy-efficient construction at the exhibition held at the same time. Many of these products are already certified as Passive House components.
We have been here several times. For us, it's a really good platform to present our products, because we offer very interesting solutions for passive houses. It's nice to see the newest innovations. Passive House grows and grows, and also the community grows. It's simply nice to be there. We always come back here because Passive House is a really cool thing.
In the plenary, internationally renowned speakers met a particularly large and interested audience. These included climate researcher Helga Krohm-Kalb, as well as high-ranking politicians, for example, from the Austrian Federal Ministry of the Environment and the United Nations. They emphasized the enormous importance of energy-efficient construction in times of climate change. The Passive House standard is an important key to limit the planet's warming. In keeping with the conference motto of Passive House for All, not only experts, but also interested laypeople were able to find out about the advantages of energy-efficient construction. In the Builders Forum, they received first-hand experience from Passive House residents.
Compared to the building in which I lived before, a very old house, I can definitely say that the surface temperature of the walls is very warm, so it always feels very warm, even when it's very cold outside.
Auch wenn es draußen sehr kalt ist.
I wanted to see more building materials because they develop every year better and better. And I wanted to show my son that it's important to insulate houses in order to have small energy consumption.
A night at the museum. The Passive House Institute invited participants to the Museum of Natural History for the annual evening event. Here, there was good food and a glass of wine to be had, and the participants took the opportunity for extensive networking. Another highlight was the excursions, which are part of every Passive House conference. Over 40 exciting Passive House projects were presented in Vienna and the surrounding area, including the world's first office building in Passive House construction, the extension of the Raiffeisen Bank's inner city office, or this student residence, which proves that energy-efficient housing is indeed possible for everyone. All in all, the conference was a great success, and the organizer more than satisfied.
I think that the Passive House Conference is now the global institution that shows how you can build energy efficiently everywhere in the world and that it will work for the coming centuries. The fact that we are not dealing with the amounts of energy that are scarce, but that we use renewable energy and that we build the houses today so that they will actually continue to function fully with renewable energy in the future.
After the conference means before the conference, and Dr. Wolfgang Feist ended this year's event with the announcement of next year's location in March: Munich.